Bathley Lane level crossing in Nottinghamshire. Slow barrier. That's slow. Time now is 14:17. Sunday, 7th of July 2024. This will be the 14:23 LNER Azoma from Edinburgh to London King's Cross. Currently near Carlton. Oh, my camera's not that bad, is it? Perfect. I thought I'd expect it to be grainy when I dropped it in river. Can't believe I dropped it in river. Yeah, this one then, Grand Central, which is not too far away. Newark Northgate, 14:26. It's not quite going to be a double pass. I thought it might be, but it's not. No. Although I don't think they'll let us up. Train should be approaching from that side soon. 1E12, 1 Echo 12, then 1 Alpha 61, Grand Central. First train should be closing in any minute. Train 1 from Edinburgh, and I don't think we're going to be going. I don't think we're going to be going anywhere for Grand Central either. London. (801-209). Right, what we doing? Nah, thought we were. Next, the 14:26 Grand Central Railway train service from Sunderland to London King's Cross. Don't know why I said it like that, but let's go for it. After that, D15. D15 at Claypole, which could well keep us down. Should be going up after this for a short amount of time, I'd say. Yep, Grand Central just passed. Thought I heard it then. Grand Central just past Carlton. And then we're going to be up for a short amount of time, I'm guessing. Because next train's currently there. No, not anymore, it's there. If it focuses. Focus, that's it. D15. About 4 minutes of downtime, not bad. got busy all of a sudden. We've got 1E95 near Egmonton. That Grand Central's coming from Carlton. Trent 2. .180-104. Right, go. Thank you. Next train really close.